Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Today I'm going to show you how to register your first ENS domain. For those who don't know what ENS stands for, it stands for Ethereum Name Service, and it's essentially a name and lookup service built on the Ethereum blockchain. It's a simple process and shouldn't take us too long either. First off, we want to go to the ENS domain app. We are going to assume that you do have a MetaMask wallet, so we do want to connect that. Once we're on this page, we can enter our desired ENS name. So today we are going to go for Burjo because I know it's not taken. If it is taken, it will pop up as red. We will make a separate video to that on how to purchase on the secondary marker. So we're going to want to go ahead and click on that. So basically this page that we're going to come on to highlights how much you're going to pay for your domain and also allows you to extend the registration period to where you want. So we can go to, let's change it to 1 year. And what you're going to want to do is request to register. And it should come up with a transaction. Gas fees are still low. I've seen old videos where people were paying $30 for gas fees, which is just unbelievable. So the waiting period, we do have to wait a minute to ensure that another person hasn't tried to register the name. Basically, what I just want to say right quickly is ENS aims to make the crypto space much simpler by allowing users to create a nickname for all your crypto wallets. So as you can see, instead of sharing your 42-character ETH address with someone that owes you money, we can essentially give them the ENS domain. So for example here, mine is Burjo, and this is linked to my 42-character ETH address, making it a much simpler process for people. Okay, so once we've waited a minute, we can go ahead and click register to move on to our third step. This should take us to our MetaMask wallet to process the transaction. Gas fees are currently low, as you can see. Whole transaction has just cost us $11, which is a pretty good deal. Once the transaction has gone through, we can go to your OpenSea account and go to your profile. Your ENS domain should be there. Yep, so Burjo is there. Usually, if it doesn't come up with the name, just refresh your metadata and refresh the page and it should pop up. So it's a very simple process, doesn't take long at all. Thank you for listening and goodbye.